Friday. I'm on day 5 of my boiled egg challenge. This challenge has not been easy this week. I always started off eating boiled eggs, at least 3 eggs in the mornings, and then at lunchtime I would eat some fruit or something like that. And then in the afternoon, for my dinner, I eat something like chicken or bacon, or either turkey. And today I have some baked chicken and broccoli and 1 egg. I will continue this challenge until Sunday. I will weigh in on Sunday, and I'm hoping I have some good results after this week. Y'all continue to stay blessed and stay prayed up. Stay cool because it's hot out there. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye-bye. I have some baked chicken, broccoli, and 2 eggs.